Next up, we're turning our attention to the liabilities section. Long-term loans represent the money the supermarket has borrowed and needs to repay over an extended period. These are listed as liabilities because they are obligations the supermarket owes to lenders. As the name suggests, long-term loans are further categorized as non-current liabilities because they are not expected to be settled within one financial year or the normal business cycle. In a business, long-term loans come with specific terms regarding interest rates, repayment schedules, and rules. Taking out long-term loans is a common practice for financing large purchases or significant investments in the business. While long-term loans provide the necessary funds for growth, they also create liabilities that the supermarket needs to manage and repay over time. On the balance sheet of Sunshine Supermarket, we can see the long-term loan payable is $400,000. Other long-term liabilities include various non-current financial obligations that do not fall under long-term loans. This category may consist of liabilities like deferred tax liabilities and long-term lease obligations. These liabilities are not expected to be settled within a year. Sunshine Supermarket's other long-term liabilities are $44,135. Trade payable represents the money the supermarket owes to suppliers for goods and services purchased on credit. It is a liability because it is an obligation the supermarket needs to settle in the future, reducing cash flow once paid. In a business, trade payables involve more structured agreements and payment terms. This allows the supermarket to buy inventory and services on credit, which can help manage cash flow by deferring payments. Since trade payables are typically settled within a year, they are considered current liabilities. Sunshine Supermarket has trade payables amounting to $175,950. Other current liabilities contain various short-term obligations that the supermarket needs to settle within a year. This may include accrued expenses, short-term loans, and provisions for taxes, warranties, or legal obligations. Sunshine Supermarket shows other current liabilities and provisions totaling $97,393.